Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add or create or make a new project category for your projects on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, so to access this feature here, let me return to the overview of my Jira projects inside the Jira site. You will need to access your settings in the top right here. After that, click into projects. And inside your project settings, guys, make sure that you have selected projects. For example, if you haven't done that yet, here from the drop-down menu, head over to project categories, and here simply add a new project category by giving it a name. Like, let me name it, for example, test category 1 or something like that. Sorry for the typo. Describe it below if you like, my test projects, and confirm. Let me just use the capital letter here. Click into add here to confirm that, and that is going to add your new project category, as you can see now in that list. So now you will be able to create projects under that category. You may also delete that project category if you like by clicking into delete here, or edit it by clicking into this button and update the name here. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.